Welcome to LazyBud GK One-Liner, your shortcut to smart and easy GK. Today's Class 1 is all about India's prehistoric age, from the Old Stone Age to the Iron Age. Let's get started with some fast and powerful one-liners. Section 1, Paleolithic Age, Old Stone Age. Question 1. What does the term Paleolithic mean? Answer. Old Stone Age, Paleo means old and lithic means stone. Question 2. What was the time period of the Paleolithic Age in India? Answer. About 2 million BCE to 10,000 BCE. Question 3. What was the main material used for tools in the Paleolithic Age? Answer. Roughly shaped stone tools. Question 4. What was the lifestyle of Paleolithic people in India? Answer. Nomadic hunters and food gatherers. Question 5. What was the main source of food for Paleolithic people? Answer. Hunting animals and gathering wild fruits and plants. Question 6. Did Paleolithic people know agriculture? Answer. No, they only hunted and gathered food. Question 7. Where were the earliest stone tools of India found? Answer. At Son Valley, Pakistan, and Pallavaram, Tamil Nadu. Question 8. What was the earliest form of art of Paleolithic people? Answer. Rock paintings found in Bhimbetka caves, Madhya Pradesh. Question 9. In which period was fire discovered by prehistoric humans? Answer. During the Upper Paleolithic Age. Question 10. Did Paleolithic people live in houses? Answer. No, they lived in caves and rock shelters. Section 2, Mesolithic Age, Middle Stone Age. Question 11. What was the time period of the Mesolithic Age in India? Answer. Around 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. Question 12. What was the main type of tool used in the Mesolithic Age? Answer. Microliths, small, sharp stone tools. Question 13. Did Mesolithic people start domesticating animals? Answer. Yes, first signs of animal domestication appeared. Question 14. Did agriculture begin in the Mesolithic Age? Answer. Yes, early farming started on a small scale. Question 15. Which is an example of a Mesolithic site in India? Answer. Bagar in Rajasthan. Question 16. What major change occurred in the Mesolithic lifestyle? Answer. People began semi-settled life. Question 17. Which animals were first domesticated in the Mesolithic period? Answer. Dogs, sheep, and goats. Question 18. What kind of art is found from the Mesolithic Age? Answer. Rock paintings showing hunting and dancing scenes. Question 19. Was fishing practiced during the Mesolithic period? Answer. Yes, evidence of fishing has been found. Question 20. Did Mesolithic people make huts? Answer. Yes, simple huts appeared in some areas. Section 3, Neolithic Age, New Stone Age. Question 21. What was the time period of the Neolithic Age in India? Answer. Around 8,000 BCE to 2,500 BCE. Question 22. What was the key feature of Neolithic tools? Answer. Polished stone tools. Question 23. What was the greatest discovery of the Neolithic Age? Answer. Agriculture. Question 24. Which crops were first cultivated in the Neolithic period? Answer: wheat, barley, and later rice. Question 25. What was the lifestyle of Neolithic people in India? Answer: settled village life with farming and animal rearing. Question 26. Which animals were domesticated in the Neolithic age? Answer: cow, sheep, goat, and buffalo. Question 27. Which is the earliest Neolithic site in the Indian subcontinent? Answer: Mehergarh in Balochistan, around 7000 BCE. Question 28. Which is the famous Neolithic site in Kashmir? Answer: Burzahom, known for pit dwellings. Question 29. Which are important Neolithic sites in Karnataka? Answer: Hallur and Maski. Question 30. Which is a significant Neolithic site in Bihar? Answer: Chirand. Question 31. Did pottery begin in the Neolithic age? Answer: yes, handmade pottery later replaced by wheel-made pottery. Question 32. What was the main building material used by Neolithic people? Answer: mud bricks and stone. Question 33. Did weaving and spinning begin during the Neolithic period? Answer: yes, use of cotton and wool is evident. Question 34. Is there evidence of burial practices in the Neolithic age? Answer: yes, burials with animals found at Burzahom. Question 35. Which metal appeared towards the end of the Neolithic period? Answer: copper, marking the start of the Chalcolithic age. Section 4, Chalcolithic Age, Stone Copper Age. Question 36. What does the term Chalcolithic mean? Answer: age of stone and copper tools. Chalco means copper. Question 37. What was the time period of the Chalcolithic age in India? Answer: around 3000 BCE to 700 BCE. Question 38. Did iron appear in the Chalcolithic period? Answer: no, iron came later during the Iron Age. Question 39. Which are examples of Chalcolithic sites in India? Answer: Ahar, Rajasthan, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, and Jorve, Maharashtra. Question 40. Which crops were mainly cultivated by Chalcolithic people? Answer: millets and barley. Question 41. What type of pottery was developed in the Chalcolithic period? Answer: wheel-made and painted pottery, especially black and red ware. Question 42. Did Chalcolithic people trade with Harappans? Answer: yes, evidence of limited contact exists. Question 43. Did Chalcolithic people live in towns? Answer: no, they lived mostly in rural villages. Question 44. Did social inequality begin during the Chalcolithic period? Answer: yes, burials show rich and poor differentiation. Question 45. What caused the decline of the Chalcolithic culture? Answer: droughts and shortage of resources. Section 5, Towards the Iron Age and Early Historic Period. Question 46. Which metal replaced copper in later prehistoric times? Answer: iron. Question 47. When did the Iron Age begin in India? Answer: around 1000 BCE onward. Question 48. What was the impact of iron tools on Indian society? Answer: helped clear forests and expand agriculture. Question 49. Which archaeological culture marks the start of the Iron Age in India? Answer. Painted Greyware, PGW, culture. Question 50. Why is the study of prehistory important in Indian history? Answer. It shows the evolution from hunting to farming, settled life, and the rise of early states.